I just checked out all the newest arrivals at Dollar Tree and found 12 new finds that are worth every penny. But not everything belongs in your cart. Today, I'll reveal the best bargains to grab before they're gone, plus 3 items you should avoid. Subscribe for more smart Dollar Tree deals. Tie 2-pack, solar step lights, dark walkways, and porch steps can be both inconvenient and a safety hazard once the sun goes down. The 2-pack solar step lights are an easy Dollar Tree upgrade that adds both style and visibility to your outdoor spaces. Comparable 2-pack solar step lights typically sell for $10 to $25 at home improvement stores and major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. These lights automatically charge during the day and turn on at dusk, providing soft, reliable illumination for stairs, decks, patios, fences, and garden paths without increasing your electric bill. Installation couldn't be easier. Simply mount them where you need light, and the built-in solar panel does the rest. Their weather-resistant design makes them a practical choice for year-round outdoor use. Seasonal outdoor lighting like this is always one of Dollar Tree's fastest-selling categories because shoppers know the value is hard to beat. If you spot the 2-pack solar step lights, grab a set before they're gone. Sure, reusable food containers. Keeping leftovers fresh and your pantry organized can be difficult when you're constantly dealing with mismatched or worn-out containers. The Sure reusable food containers are a practical Dollar Tree find that makes everyday food storage simple and affordable. Comparable reusable food storage container sets typically sell for $8 to $20 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Designed with secure fitting lids, these containers help keep leftovers, meal prep, snacks, fruits, and pantry staples fresh while reducing spills in the refrigerator or lunch bag. Their durable, reusable design means you can wash and use them again and again, helping you save money while cutting down on disposable plastic bags. They're also stackable, making it easy to maximize space in your kitchen cabinets and refrigerator. Everyday kitchen essentials like these are always in high demand because they're useful in almost every home. If you spot the Sure reusable food containers at Dollar Tree, grab a few sets before they're gone. Microwave steam cleaner. Cleaning a microwave. Cleaning a microwave doesn't have to mean scrubbing away stubborn baked-on food for half an hour. The microwave steam cleaner is a clever Dollar Tree gadget that makes one of the most dreaded kitchen chores much easier. Comparable microwave steam cleaners typically sell for $8 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Simply fill it with water and a splash of vinegar, place it in your microwave, and let the steam loosen grease, splatters, and stuck-on food in just a few minutes. Once the cycle is finished, all it takes is a quick wipe to leave your microwave looking clean and fresh. It's reusable, easy to store, and saves both time and effort compared to harsh chemical cleaners. Handy kitchen gadgets like this tend to sell out quickly because shoppers appreciate simple solutions that actually work. If you spot the microwave steam cleaner at Dollar Tree, grab one before it's gone. American Red Cross first aid products. You never know when a minor cut, scrape, or burn will happen, which is why every home and car should have basic first aid supplies on hand. The American Red Cross first aid products are a smart Dollar Tree find that offers trusted quality at an unbeatable price. Comparable American Red Cross first aid essentials typically sell for $5 to $15 at pharmacies and major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Whether it's adhesive bandages, gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, or other everyday medical essentials, these products are designed to help you handle minor injuries quickly and conveniently. They're perfect for home medicine cabinets, vehicles, travel bags, backpacks, workplaces, or emergency kits, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Trusted name health products like these rarely stay on Dollar Tree's shelves because shoppers know they're getting dependable quality for a fraction of the regular cost. If you spot the American Red Cross first aid products, stock up before they're gone. OxiDual multi-purpose cleaner. Keeping your home spotless can get expensive when every room seems to require a different cleaning product. The OxiDual multi-purpose cleaner is a versatile Dollar Tree find that helps simplify your cleaning routine without stretching your budget. Comparable oxygen-powered multi-purpose cleaners typically sell for $6 to $12 at supermarkets and major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Its powerful formula helps lift grease, dirt, soap scum, and everyday stains from countertops, sinks, appliances, bathroom surfaces, and other hard washable areas. The easy-to-use spray makes quick work of daily messes, leaving surfaces looking fresh and clean with minimal effort. Instead of filling your cabinets with multiple specialty cleaners, this single product can handle a wide variety of household cleaning tasks. Brand name style cleaning products like this often sell out fast because shoppers know they're getting reliable performance for a fraction of the regular price. If you spot the OxiDual multi-purpose cleaner at Dollar Tree, grab a bottle before it's gone. Metal Birdhouse, adding a decorative touch to your garden doesn't have to mean spending a fortune on outdoor decor. The metal Birdhouse is a charming Dollar Tree find that brings both style and personality to your backyard, patio, or porch. Comparable decorative metal birdhouses typically sell for $15 to $30 at garden centers and home decor stores, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Its durable metal construction is designed to withstand the outdoors while adding a rustic, farmhouse-inspired look to flower beds, fences, hanging hooks, or garden displays. Whether you use it as a decorative accent or simply to brighten up your outdoor space, it's an easy way to add character without breaking the budget. Seasonal garden decor like this tends to disappear quickly because shoppers love finding premium-looking pieces for a fraction of the usual price. If you spot the metal birdhouse at Dollar Tree, grab it before it's gone. You may not see it again this season. Knockoff Crocs comfortable everyday shoes don't have to come with a premium price tag. The Knockoff Crocs at Dollar Tree are a surprisingly practical find for anyone looking for lightweight, easy-to-wear footwear without spending a fortune. Comparable clog-style shoes typically sell for $15 to $40 at discount and department stores, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an unbelievable bargain. Their lightweight slip-on design makes them perfect for gardening, quick errands, beach trips, camping, or simply wearing around the house. The ventilated upper helps keep your feet cool, while the cushioned sole provides comfort for everyday use. They're also easy to rinse clean, making them a great choice for messy outdoor jobs or rainy days. Budget-friendly footwear like this rarely stays in stock because shoppers recognize the value as soon as they see it. If you spot these knockoff Crocs at Dollar Tree, grab your size before they're gone. ExtraCare Hydro Plus Plus Hydrating Cleansing Gel, finding a facial cleanser that removes dirt and makeup without leaving your skin feeling dry can be a challenge. The ExtraCare Hydro Plus Plus Hydrating Cleansing Gel is a skincare bargain that delivers gentle cleansing while helping your skin stay soft and refreshed. Comparable hydrating cleansing gels from drugstore skincare brands typically sell for $8 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Its lightweight gel formula helps wash away oil, impurities, and everyday buildup while providing a boost of hydration, making it ideal for daily use on most skin types. The refreshing cleanser leaves your face feeling clean without the tight, stripped feeling that some harsh cleansers can cause. Whether you're starting your morning routine or removing the day's makeup before bed, it's an easy addition to any skincare regimen. Brand-name skincare products like this rarely stay on Dollar Tree shelves because shoppers know they're getting premium value for a fraction of the regular price. If you spot the ExtraCare Hydro Plus Plus Hydrating Cleansing Gel, grab a bottle before it's gone. 0.8-inch Terracotta Pot, adding plants to your home or garden, is an easy way to brighten up any space, but decorative planters can be surprisingly expensive. The 8-inch Terracotta Pot is a classic Dollar Tree find that's both practical and stylish for indoor and outdoor gardening. Comparable 8-inch terracotta pots typically sell for $8 to $20 at garden centers and home improvement stores, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Made from durable natural clay, it provides excellent airflow and drainage, helping flowers, herbs, succulents, and small vegetables grow healthier. Its timeless design looks great on patios, balconies, windowsills, or front porches, and it's just as easy to customize with paint or decorative finishes for DIY projects. Whether you're starting a small herb garden or repotting your favorite houseplants, this planter offers outstanding value for everyday gardeners. Gardening essentials like this tend to sell out quickly during the planting season. If you spot the 8-inch terracotta pot at Dollar Tree, grab a few before they're gone. Sidewalk chalk, keeping kids entertained outdoors doesn't have to involve expensive toys or screens. Sidewalk chalk is one of those classic Dollar Tree finds that delivers hours of creative fun for just a fraction of the usual cost. Comparable sidewalk chalk sets typically sell for $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Kids can use it to draw colorful artwork, play hopscotch, create obstacle courses, practice writing letters and numbers, or invent their own outdoor games on sidewalks and driveways. The washable formula easily rinses away with water or the next rainfall, making cleanup quick and stress-free for parents. It's also a great activity for birthday parties, family gatherings, and summer afternoons when everyone wants to spend more time outside. Seasonal outdoor toys like this tend to disappear quickly because families know they're getting endless entertainment at an unbeatable price. If you spot sidewalk chalk at Dollar Tree, grab a few packs before they're gone. Flashlight dog poop bag dispenser. Cleaning up after your dog is much easier when you have everything you need in one convenient tool, especially during early morning or evening walks. The Flashlight Dog Poop Bag Dispenser is a clever Dollar Tree find that combines two everyday essentials into one compact accessory. Comparable dog poop bag dispensers with built-in flashlights typically sell for $10 to $20 at pet stores and major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. The built-in LED flashlight helps illuminate sidewalks, parks, and trails in low-light conditions, while the attached dispenser keeps waste bags within easy reach whenever your pet needs a quick stop. Its lightweight design easily clips onto a leash, backpack, or belt loop, making walks more convenient and organized. Practical pet accessories like this rarely stay on Dollar Tree shelves because dog owners know they're getting added convenience without paying premium prices. If you spot the Flashlight Dog Poop Bag Dispenser, grab one before it's gone. 2-in-1 microfiber mop. Keeping hard floors spotless can be a hassle when you need separate tools for dusting and mopping. The 2-in-1 microfiber mop is a smart Dollar Tree find that makes everyday floor cleaning faster and more convenient. Comparable 2-in-1 microfiber mops typically sell for $15 to $30 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Its reusable microfiber pad is designed to pick up dust, dirt, and pet hair when used dry, while also handling wet mopping to remove spills and everyday grime from tile, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl floors. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and into tight spaces, helping you clean more efficiently with less effort. Since the microfiber pad is washable and reusable, you'll also save money on disposable cleaning products over time. Practical household cleaning tools like this tend to disappear quickly because shoppers know they're getting premium value at an unbeatable price. If you spot the 2-in-1 microfiber mop at Dollar Tree, grab one before it's gone. 0.4-foot inflatable peeps decorating for Easter can get expensive fast, especially if you want something big enough to stand out in your yard. The 4-foot inflatable peeps are a fun Dollar Tree find that brings colorful holiday cheer without the premium price tag. Comparable 4-foot holiday inflatables typically sell for $25 to $50 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an unbelievable bargain. Standing 4 feet tall, this cheerful decoration instantly brightens front yards, porches, gardens, or Easter displays, making it a favorite for families and holiday gatherings. It's quick to set up, easy to deflate for compact storage, and lightweight enough to move wherever you want a festive touch. Seasonal decorations this size rarely stay in stock because shoppers know they're getting eye-catching decor for a fraction of the usual cost. If you spot the 4-foot inflatable peeps at Dollar Tree, don't wait. It's the kind of seasonal bargain that sells out long before the holiday arrives. Black clutch with silver pattern. Finding a stylish clutch for parties, weddings, or date nights usually means spending far more than you'd like. The black clutch with silver pattern is a fashionable Dollar Tree find that looks far more expensive than its price tag. Comparable evening clutches with decorative metallic accents typically sell for $15 to $35 at department stores and fashion retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Its elegant black finish paired with a shimmering silver pattern makes it easy to dress up both casual and formal outfits. The compact interior offers enough space for your phone, cards, cash, keys, and a few makeup essentials, making it perfect for special occasions or nights out. Lightweight, versatile, and timeless, it's the kind of accessory you'll reach for again and again. Fashion accessories like this rarely stay on Dollar Tree shelves because shoppers recognize designer-inspired style at an unbeatable price. If you spot the black clutch with silver pattern, grab it before it's gone. Disco ball car mirror ornament. Want to add a little personality to your car without spending a fortune on accessories? The disco ball car mirror ornament is a fun Dollar Tree find that instantly gives your vehicle a stylish, eye-catching touch. Comparable hanging disco ball car ornaments typically sell for $8 to $15 at auto accessory stores and online retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1 price an incredible bargain. Hanging easily from your rear view mirror, the miniature mirrored ball catches sunlight and reflects tiny sparkles throughout your car, creating a playful atmosphere during daytime drives. Its lightweight design won't weigh down your mirror, and it's also perfect for decorating lockers, bedrooms, home offices, or workspaces. Trendy accessories like this are especially popular on social media, so they tend to disappear from Dollar Tree shelves as soon as shoppers spot them. If you come across the disco ball car mirror ornament, grab one before it's gone. You'll be hard-pressed to find a better deal elsewhere. Those are our favorite new Dollar Tree finds that are absolutely worth every penny, along with a few products we'd skip. Which item are you hoping to find first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Dollar Tree deals.